I have here a DCF887 type 1 impact driver. Is your impact driver doing this, not holding in your butt holder? If so, the reason is there's a wee spring broke in the assembly, and that's the spring there. So what we're going to have to do is pull off the whole chuck assembly and replace the spring. Right, the first thing we need to do is there's a ring in there, like a hog ring, it holds the whole thing on. That can be tricky to get off, it can be tricky to get on, but we have to take it off. Sometimes I find a screwdriver, something like this, can help you get it off. If you happen to have a hook and pick set laying around, sometimes I find them very good for getting in underneath them. But safety first. When you're doing this, if you slip, that goes right in there. I don't need to tell you that's painful. It's very difficult, but if you get right in under that, you can get it off. Between these two implements, I've managed to get the hog ring pried up. Just let you see that. That ring has to come all the way out. And it's under load with a spring behind it. The bit that fell out was a washer, I'll show you that now. So that's off now. I'll set these out in order. You have the, let's see, so you can see it, the hog ring, a washer, a spring, the collet, the actual broken spring. You can see the difference between that and the new one. You know, so there's that. And last but not least, the ball. So that's everything you need to rebuild this. It shouldn't take that long. The hardest part, funny enough, is getting that hog ring back on again. So, let's see what way I'm putting this on. See, there's a hole there. That spring has to get into that hole. That slot. There. And then you throw the ball on. Hold the spring back and put the ball on. So that ball's on there under load with the spring. And effectively that holds this in place. So like I say, that will be the configuration you're looking for there. Spring under load with the ball. Then you put on the collet itself. Then you put on the spring. Then the washer. You can see that, the spring, then there's the ordinary washer. And then the hog ring. So you just push that hog ring into place and you're good to go. Which can be difficult because the spring fights back. Wish I could tell you there was an easy way of putting this ring on, but you just have to work with it. It could take you 3 minutes, it could take you 3 hours. It's a lot of effort to get that put together, get that hog ring shoved right back in there. It's holding everything together now, so that feels good. So that works as it should now. So that's how you Fix your DCF887 if the bit holder's fallen out. If you like this video or you found it helpful, please like and subscribe and follow my channel for other videos. Thank you.